Hello? Is everyone hearing me? I am Venerak, the TV man, right? This is me. Um, Welcome to my broadcast. Today I am not prepared at all to stream, but I wanted to stream, so here we are. So yeah, I welcome to the broadcast, everyone who's here. Hello, Neptunes. Didn't think you would come here. But yeah, hello. It's been a long time since we speak. How have you been? That's the question, right? Yeah, I would guess anybody would say it's not fun working 12 hours a week. Uh, I think that's universal. Are you still working at the same place? I think you were working at some factory or something in this type of deal. Yeah, warehouse, right. I see you playing stuff, I guess. Or some company differently. Okay, so you move between warehouse or something? That that's that, that's not fun. Is it like really far? Or is it like not that much of a difference between the two? Nice. The bonus is always welcome. Oh, if it's yeah, if it's the same distance, it's just a free bonus then. I'm glad for you. That's cool. Money is good. Money is life. This is how it goes. So yeah, Nettunes. So this is the first stream you came here, but I am a software guy, right? So I'm gonna program stuff. So I did some things already. Like all my stream, like the chat you see is made by me. Yeah, you can type a song normally to show what song is currently playing and stuff like that. So this is pretty cool. Uh, what did I do? So my character is made in Godot, which is a game engine. Yeah, thank you for coming. But if you're like really tired, you if you have 12 hours to do, or you did 12 hours of work, you maybe it would be a good idea to sleep. But I'm not telling you what to do. Oh, day off, cool. Nice, nice, nice. So yeah, I made this avatar in Blender and Godot, so it's pretty cool. Also, I can control everything from my nice little terminal thing here. So you see, I have like some commands pre-made or stuff. So I can zoom and unzoom and do a green screen or something. Yeah, I'm not good at it either. I just made something. Like if you would see from like near the the model, it's simple as fuck, but it's ugly. I- yeah, but if you already work 12 hours a day, it's hard to make time for things like that. Yeah, it's simple. In the future, I would like to modify the sprite for the mesh, so I have more like stickers on the TV or stuff. Could be cool. Adding more like personality to my model. But yeah, I can also from here I can also do a lot of stuff. I can control Twitch. I can send message from thingy like this. I can do all of these things. You can like see them. I'm not gonna do them all, but I can do all of this. I can also oh yeah, maybe that could be actually pretty fun to do. Just curly mustaches. I'm French. Yeah, I can mute my. I can control also OBS with the WebSocket from here. I can get stuff from Spotify. I can skip track and do stuff. I can cue music from here, and yeah, I can test some things like if someone follows something of this type of thing. So yeah, this is the tool. This is the tool I made myself. It's pretty cool. I'm happy with it. I don't think I've made. Oh yeah. Okay, so Nettunes, there's a thing here in the like the software development zone, which it's called a Joel. It's it's a spinning fish, and Yeah, so like I said earlier, the chat is made by me, and it's like it's a web page. It's HTML file with JavaScript and stuff. It's pretty cool. It's not the best one. It's cool. It's made by myself, so it's cool. But yeah, Joel is a spinning fish. You can see him on my chat if you don't have SimTV installed. It's a spinning fish, and it's really popular. So if we go on the web zone, right? And we go to my website, right? So here are some software development channels, which people in them say Joel a lot. As you can see here, I've made a bot which tracks how many Joels people say in these people's chat. And it's crazy the amount of Joels. So if we see this guy, Crazy Kitty, he has 2,000. So people said Joel in his chat 2,805 times since the 6th of this month. And we can see a cool little graph here of the Joels, right? Exactly, Joeling in Joel 2, the classics. So yeah, and you can also see the users. So you can see who also said Joel is great. Joel is live. You can see crazy people saying Joel too many times, including me, right? That's why I'm in this bot. And just recently, I refactored the code for the bot. So we're still in the test phase, but we can do something like Joel commands. Right. Joel commands, which pops out all the commands that are available on the bot. This is the test database. So let's say I do Joel count Neptune's galaxy. It should print, yeah. Neptune's galaxy has Joeled 2 times. So this is pretty cool. Did I make something else? If we go on here, what have I done? What is done? Yeah. Oh, right. So this is pretty fun. If I show you my be right back screen, we zoom, right? We freeze, we clear, and here I made like so the be right back is the DVD bouncing logo, but as a be right back. this this is pretty funny. I was like, I'm a TV. I should do the DVD bouncing logo. I have to do it. Right? Also, yeah, I added 7TV to the chat so you can see Joel. Refactored Joel bot. Yeah, I created transition and everything. Go to that. I made a bus to control everything from the terminal. Yeah, maybe. I just thought if it's like a sound each time it bounces off the corners, like it could be kind of annoying, right? Just ding ding ding. Ding. It's like if you're playing Pong, do you want the ball to make a sound and this a sound each time it like goes against the bar? I wouldn't, so I just didn't do it. It's a great idea, but I don't think I will do it. Oh, you mean okay when it touches a corner? Okay, not the sides, just a corner. I don't know how we would do that because Yeah, I don't think it's worth it. Like maybe it's gonna happen 2 or 3 times. I'm gonna make a whole feature just for something that is gonna happen 2 times in my whole life. Like half the time I don't even do a be right back on the stream. Yeah, it's because it's never exactly the the corner. Like it could eventually be the exact x and y zero. Like, but sometimes it's just like 1 pixel off, and it still looks like it bounced off the corner. But yeah, anyway. So yeah, I started school again this week. So yeah, lot of I think it's 33 hours of school per week, and it doesn't count the homework. So yeah, this week it's the first week, so it's boring as fuck. Like teachers read a whole document telling us what we're gonna do, but they don't teach teach us much. So it's pretty boring. But still, it's going fast still because I'm in the last year, so we're getting faster, and it's getting harder too, right? So in mobile development, we begin seeing React. Yeah. So React is it's a framework, I guess, for building mobile apps. So this is pretty cool. It's like JavaScript but different in a good way. Like the tools for the development in React are like pretty cool. I was enjoying this. Ruby on Rails. So we learned Ruby already, but now we're laying on Rails, which is like better in every way. And yeah, this is gonna be pretty cool. We only saw like making database with Rails, yeah. So we're not far. In my network class, we saw IPv4 today. So this is like addressing IP addresses and stuff like that. The networks class is going to be really interesting, but also really hard. I feel like this is not programming by like at all. It's math, and yeah, it's gonna be hard. I don't know how to say this, but it's hard in a different way. Also, this session I have a game making class. Yes, sir, that's cool. But we still haven't. We're gonna do it in Godot, but first we're learning processing, which is like the fundamentals of game making. So making our own like physics and thing in Java. So this is pretty cool, but it's mostly math stuff, like vectors, matrices, and stuff like that. And yeah, everything else than that is boring stuff like uh, PE and English. I'm learning English still. We did icebreakers in English today. It was really boring. Half the class didn't know how to speak English, even if we're supposed to be bilingual at this point. But anyway, this is the this week at school, right? Maybe I'll make this into a thing each week. This week at school. Yeah, icebreakers. The teacher was like, so present yourself to the class. and like you're like you don't know what to say. You never know what to say. It's dumb. Icebreaker are dumb. You're like forcing people to interact, which is fucking awkward. But yeah, icebreakers not good. So, for today in programming, yeah, I wouldn't say like outright. I'm a nerd. I'm a nerd. I wouldn't like. I would just say I'm in computer science. I do computer. I'm the computer man, and I play video games. I'm like the most basic guy in here, and I would go sit down at my place right after. I don't feel like nerd is a very much used term here. Nerd is like mean. It's not mean. It could be used to the mean end. Yeah. Anyway, programming stuff. Words on the code. Yeah. So, the other day we added points over time like Twitch does thing by like our own thing, but it doesn't seem to work at all since the if we look at the database, right? If we do MySQL use stream show the tables, like we can see I there the tables are there, right? If we get the content of the tables, we can see there's absolutely nothing in it, which shouldn't be right. Because each 5 minutes it's supposed to see who's in the chat and adding them points. It somehow doesn't seem like it's doing that at all. What is that? Pagination. Oh, it's updating. See, like, okay, this is weird, right? It's saying right here that it's updating the points, right? And then it shows me who is in the chat, but then, right, it's not there. It's not in the database, right? Um, let's make this smaller, right? Okay. So let's see what the code is, right? Let's go to the code. So points, update points. Then we go here and on chat message, channel chat message. Where do I call this? Where do I call update points? It's not even in here. It's in here. Okay. So each loop, each 1 second. If online, what is online? Alien dance? What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? So yeah, get Spotify token. Okay, I see. Jamming. Okay. Oh yeah, it's Jungle Boogie. It's the Jungle Boogie. So yeah, if the app is online, each second it's gonna update the Spotify overlay. Each 300-second points last refresh now. Point last refresh. Absolute time now. Yes. Okay. So it updates points. Update points. Right? So it goes here. It's updating points. Then this is uh, there we go. We can see now. Right? So this is that here. Right? So this is the thing that it's printing here. So I definitely get the chatters, right? Chatters is equal to rep data. Okay. Um, maybe you can see it more here. Right? So in data here, we get an array. So data is an array of hashes, right? So chatters, each chatters. So this time it was, I guess, 2 chatters. So me and you. Uh, I get the Twitch ID, SQL get user. Okay. What does this do? Select ID and name from users where Twitch ID. So this returns absolutely nothing. So if it's empty. Okay, so let's print user here. So we're debugging with prints. Like, yeah, that's what we're doing. Because why not? P user. Okay, so if user, so I guess this is not an empty array. This is probably because there's nothing in the database, so this should give me nothing back, right? So this is not an array, so maybe this is or usual nil, yes, or if it's nil. If points loser last scan, yes, execute, give 10 points, and then, okay. This is good. Then it goes again through each chatter which are in the list. And it starts as if they're not present. If they're present, I switch it to true. And if at the end of it, if they're not present, I delete them from the list, which get points next time. So let's restart the thing. Right? Look, I did it again. Let's see if it... Yeah, still nothing. Okay. Let's restart the thing. Restart the engine. Okay, this is good. This is good. Now, this, this. Then we're back here. I turned that on. Right. We are back. Okay, so we'll check back on this in 5 minutes, I guess, or 10 minutes, something like that. Um. So code server code. Okay. So the other thing we needed to do today. So maybe you can see this blue bar at the bottom. I added this last stream, but I did nothing with it. So this is for a taskbar type of thing, or more like when you see in the news, like letters going by on the bottom. This is what this is gonna be. So I want on there to show the time of day, maybe the weather, uh, the top Joel counts for users and channels, kind of like the news, like I said, and maybe some more things. I need ideas, right? Um, yes, I could. I wouldn't need to save that in uh a database, do I? Wait, let's look here. Um, if we open this again, do I have get channel followers, right? In my channel, right? So here, cursor, yeah. Okay, so I see a date here. I see a date and a time. This would is this an order of letters? I guess no. Is it? So at least this last one, which followed, and then it was Mashark Control O. So it's not in order. Yeah, it's not. Weird. Yeah, this could be a great idea. Thank you. Um, so last follower. It's there. And also later, if we finish all of this, which maybe, we don't know. Maybe we're gonna abandon the project halfway there. You never know. Yeah, so if we finish this, I have a little extra. I want to have more Joel related interactions. So when I have a few ideas, so when someone says Joel, it could like put a sticker of Joel on my TV. Maybe it could be just a Joel passing by in my face, or I think this one is better. Just launching a Joel at me, like real hard. Because right, I'm in the physics engine of Goda, so there's physics. I could just smash Goda Joels into me. Could be funny. But yeah, we're gonna start with Goda. This is gonna be Goda all the way today. So let's show Goda, right? Let's show Goda. This is me, right? Why is it the fuck? Okay, we'll keep it like that. This is Godot, right? This is me. This is myself. Joel bouncing on the bottom of the screen like a bouncy ball that drops from the top, or like a flask that they drop into in bottom right next to your face. See, this is like the jar is like everybody does that. Like you can see people like the donation jars. This is the same thing but for Joel's, and just the Joel bouncing around. Do you like an alchemy flask? What the? So yeah, I was more talking. So okay, well, I'm gonna show you why I want to do something more personalized. So if we go to the web zone again, so I follow these two guys, right? There's shut up. There's Prozipod. Okay, this is the guy. Oh yeah, right. I can see things here. Can we get the so Prod is in Korea, so we can't see the clips. So it's VOD, right? So they have a whole thing. They have a whole thing where Joel spawns directly on in their fakes. So like in my case, I don't see the chat on the right side of my screen, but they see everything in front of their screen. Like the Joels, they actually see them in their screen. But we can do all sort of thing. They're crazy. We can spawn paint windows in the front of their their face and draw things. We can fling around windows and things. We have too much power in this stream, but it's really fun. And yeah, so there's Joel spawning as windows. So this is pretty cool. But also we have Crazy Kitty, which is the Jolt guy, the top Jolt guy. And maybe there's a clip somewhere. But anyway, he's got Joel's, but has as a physical item inside Godot. Like there's each time someone says Joel, a Joel appears in their, so their entire stream is inside Godot. This is another kind of crazy. Like everything you see is in Godot. I think, I'm not sure, the OBS by itself is in Godot or something like that. So yeah, and this time there was so much Joel, his computer was like ramming, and you could see Joel coming out of the screen, like in front of the screen here. So this is a fun gimmick. So I wanted to do something more personalized, if you will. Show back the Gura. So yeah, that's why I was talking about like physics stuff with the TV or the Joel passing by in my screen, right? Something like that. So yeah, I don't know if you've used Godot before, Neptunes, but this is, it's weird but good, right? So things can be seen, and you can have a scene in a scene in a scene. So let's look at what I'm saying, right? So this is the main scene, which is called scene. Yeah. So everything in my game that is a child of scene. So my TV, me is a child of scene. The taskbar at the bottom is a child of scene. the camera as a child scene, the animation player, and everything, right? But if we look into me, right? I am a scene by myself, right? I contain a mesh, a sprite. I contain a face. I contain a dumb sticker on my face. I contain a screen shader and things. I contain a light. But inside me, I also contain an equalizer for my mouth. Right? This is inception of scenes, but it's cool. So now today we're working on the taskbar, right? Put 2 water at the bottom, and as they throw jewels at you, it will splash the water. Oh my god. The water with jewels could be fun. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. But maybe not like physic water. Like not simulated water, just maybe some kind of water. Like the physics would be like water, but the water in itself wouldn't like have physics if I don't want my computer to burn. Or me to die of like too much brain damage or something. Um. So yeah, if they do a different Joel, it will have removed whatever. So in this case, it would probably be any Joel would just appear a normal Joel, because I would have to do a 3D object like a mesh, but I'm not gonna do a 3D mesh for every fucking single Joel possible. I could do something. Oh, this could be a good one. So the bottom of the screen could be like what it is right now, but the background could be something else than just a blue border. It could be like some water animation stuff. And when someone says Joel, the Joel springs out of water like a flying fish or something, and it just like wiggles and go back in the water. Something like that. Yeah, this could be good. And if someone spam Joels, it's just gonna be fish all over the screen just jumping. It could be cool. Yeah, that's a good idea. Let's write it. I'm gonna write it. You don't see it, but I'm writing it. Water at the bottom and Joel jumping out like flying fish. This is a good one. I like this one. But yeah, today it's not about the Joels. Not yet, at least. It's stuff. It's stuff, right? So this bar is a sprite I made in Asprite. Streamer brain activated. Also, Nicktoons, I don't know if you're a Risk of Rain player, but the soundtrack for the new DLC came out today. I encourage you to have a listen. But also, the DLC is releasing in 4 days, which is incredible. I'm gonna be playing that as soon as it gets out. Right? So, Could do random facts about Joel on bottom bar. Yeah. Meh. Risk of Rain. Risk of Rain. Just such a good game. If people are here and they've never played Risk of Rain, please go play Risk of Rain. You have to. It's an obligation, right? You have to. It's such a good game. I didn't check if this was working. Ooh, we got stuff. We got stuff. We got stuff. Wait. Where is the stuff? Right. So we get the followers. No, the viewers. And then MySQL. Okay, so it gives me a MySQL. What the fuck? I'm confused here. So this shouldn't give me a MySQL thing. So let's see. So we're gonna go back to the code finally. We forget about Godot for now. Like I said, I'm not organized today. We're doing things all over the place. So this is giving user is like an object, not a list of something. So instead, I'm gonna get number 0 from here, right? It should work. Right. I'm pretty sure it will work. The trolls are a bit like tiny on the chat. But if I make them so it's a GIF, right? But if I make them larger, then when it's with text, it's too big for the text. The way I made it. So maybe I shouldn't like base it on the width, but on the height. Well, I will see to that. Jolly Bolly? Joel business? I have a few. Like Joel. Joel is pretty cool. Pretty good. Joel is pretty good. But yeah, so this usually gives me an array, and then I go through each when it's a normal SQL request. So I guess if I do 0, it's gonna give me the first, and that's it. And then it can't be a null array. So it can be only nil if it's not something. Right, so let's try this, I guess. We're gonna have to restart everything again. Again and again and again. Okay, this has been restarted. Now. Make this invisible. Reload this. Reload this. Go back to head. Is it gonna crash? It crashed. Yes, sir. Let's open it again. There we go. I'm back. I'm back. Right. There we go. This is good. Okay. Now. We're back to Godot now. Okay. We need to get things done. So this is gonna be A. So taskbar. This is pretty long. So maybe we don't get something printed on everything. Maybe it's only like on the left half. Okay. Just okay. So I would like it to be like a bit animated, right? So it's a bit pretty, right? So it will need an animation player. No, you're not too distracting. Actually, I like having people like. Thank you for chatting. Like sometimes people come in and like it's lurking, right? I understand. I do that too, right? But if no one talks in the chat, I just don't talk at all. So it's pretty much just a me coding and nobody's talking stream with good music, right? Something like that. So I actually appreciate you talking. Yeah, we're different. Yeah, we're built different. Like literally, I just can't ramble as you do. Maybe I can, but I will ramble and then like what it was. I at some point I'm like, what do I say now? Yeah, true. I am a TV after all. It's like the music from Rag and Bones. I'm only human after all, but no, it's I'm only a TV after all. I'm only the TV after all. So right. This is going to be rich text label, right? What is a rich text label? It's a text label, right? You guessed it. But that's not the only thing. This is a cool thing. So where I'm gonna show you this. This is the standby starting soon screen. So this is text, right? Okay, you can see it. You can see on the right here behind the the chat. Can I move that? Like here. Can I move it here? Right? Hello? The fuck? I'm cursed. This is cursed. What the fuck is going on? Right. You can't see it. Uh uh there we go. So all like this text label is so the animation and the color and the font and stuff is done with what is called BB code. It's like HTML, like what's it called? I only have the French word. It's like HTML, right? So it's like center, so it's centered. Then we say B to be bold. Then we can decide on the font size and the wave. Yes, it's only bad bitches working at Goda Industries or something. That's why I want to get into the Goda thing. There's only bad bitches there. That's why. I only got into programming because I wanted to get bad bitches. Like this is what you do when you want bad bitches. It's programming, obviously. So we're gonna enable this again. Oh my god, the TV man is a man after all. So yeah. Um hold on, maybe I can reverse this. But then the text will be reversed. So let's forget about it. So yeah, I guess I will have one text label per like stuff on the taskbar. So like this is gonna be time, but then I also need like weather. Um, I also need Twitch stats, I guess, for the followers. But then also I need the Joel stats, right? What did I have you seen Abiotic Factor? This sounds like something I haven't seen. Abiotic Factor. No. I haven't. Oh, it's in early access. You really like early access games, don't you? What the hell is this? Oh, wait. I think I saw it. Yeah, you do don't judge. you, you do don't judge. Yeah, PS2. I think I saw someone playing it, but not really for long. This looks cool. Uh, I won't buy it. I get me right. I won't buy it, but this looks cool. What have I played recently? Oh, I restarted playing Deep Rock and like Risk of Rain, but also I did another gameplay of Baldur's Gate from start to end. Yeah, that's it. I've not played much in the summer. I did programming. It's more fun these days. Yeah, I it looks really cool. Really. Um like co-op play a game like this always are fun. Like it's fun to be with friends. I'm searching for what else I wanted to put in there. Time of day weather. That's it. Okay. It's critical hit. It's yeah. Oh yeah, it's critical hit. Okay. So we're gonna put here Joel. Scary moments when you first meet the SCP monsters. SCP? SCP? Um Scary like horror game scary or scary Lethal Company scary? Yes, I know what a SCP is. I was about to make a joke which I didn't say because I shouldn't say it. So that's why there was a blank there. So we're gonna whether let's go. So all the text is cramped up in here, right? Because I didn't move it. Right, okay. So this should be on front of the sprite, but why is it not? Okay, it has to be below it. Okay. So these should be like as big as the taskbar, right? Oh yeah, it's critical hit. It's a great call. Also, yeah, I bought a game recently. It's you probably know about it. It's Bomb Rush Cyberpunk. I just started playing it and it's so good. So good. It's like it's a fan made follow like an sequel of Jet Set Radio on like a while ago. It's been a while. But yeah, it's a good game. I would say it's better than the original, but I think I would get screamed at. Right. But yeah, it's really good. You can change between the like you're not limited to the skate anymore. You can have like I mean the rollers. You now have a skate. What the fuck is this line? Curiosity. So yeah, you have the rollers, the skate, but no, you also have the bike. But maybe I'm not far enough. Maybe there's something more. Something more. Yeah, it's really good. The music is good. The movement feels good. Uh, we're gonna say it. The story, it's not what's the game is about, but it's not what we're looking for in this game. Um, Also, I've seen the new game about the Monkey King. I don't know the name. I forgot. Yeah, it's not a skate game. It's a tricks game. It's more arcade than anything. If you see what I mean, it's not hard. It's just fun. It's fun to explore the city and just there's unlockables that you need to get back earlier in the game, and it's like half open world, half like story driven, I would say. But yeah, the music is top notch. Actually, we can listen to the OST. Since this is a fan made, the OST is not like music made by the game creator, but it's music in the vibes of the previous games, right? Let's listen to it. Yeah. Okay. Let's look at the thing. Did we get finally things in the database? We still don't have anything. Let's take a look here. Let's go up. Up. Message. Ooh, shit. This doesn't work. It's not working. This is not working. Okay. So let's go back to the VS Code, right? Sludge Life. The fuck is that? Sludge Life. Yeah, it does. But the Sludge Life has like a CRT kind of shader on it. But yeah, still it looks like it. You're right. It also looks your Sludge Life also looks like a content warning. If you ask me. Or you can turn it off. Okay. So code. Let's. Where is it? GS chat. Okay, you're not seeing it. Here. So this is another. No. Here. Yes. New message query. Is that the only query I made? Oh, okay. Okay, so this is not the first time I've used this library to do SQL requests, but it's the first time or the second time I've used this like prepare function for the queries, and it seems like I didn't do my job right. Because I don't know how it works, right? So let's do something in the like this. Bienvenue, Mekinu. Or salut, simply. Um, welcome to the broadcast. Welcome to me doing things all over the place. We jumped from Godot to VS Code about 4 times because things aren't working. So yeah, this is a thing which makes artificial points like independently from Twitch, a bit like Prod does, right? But for me. So now we're gonna try this, but what do you mean artificial? What the hell do I didn't say that. You heard that. I didn't say that. Ruby gems. MySQL 2. So where is the documentation? Escape query, no. Query. Prepare, execute, result. Right, but how do I access the result? Hmm. So this is what I does. What I do. Excuse me. I prepare the statement, like the query for SQL like in advance, like before. But when I execute, it gives me a MySQL like object. But then when I try to like get, like I treat it like a hash, but it doesn't seem to work like that. So I'm wondering how I get the stuff from the answer, like the data. I want the data. This doesn't seem like it's telling me how. Scaling, query, casting booleans, yeah, it doesn't work like that, right? Field types, query. Yeah, that's the only place. Be sure to read about the known limitation of prepared statements. Page not found. Great. That's the thing I wanted. A page not found. Are supported as well in a separated use in a place of each value and then execute the statement to retrieve a result set. Pass your arguments to the executive to a number of query options can be passed as keywords arguments. Oh, I see. I can do as array here. That's sad. Why did you say that? Okay, go back to this. Okay. Right? We do here like this. And then we do that as array. So user like this. Right? Like this. Okay, let's try this. The bus. Close this. Fucking. There we go. Stuff is running. Let's close this. Refresh that. Open this. There we go. We're back on, guys. What do I think? Logically, I would take VHS. Yeah, since I'm a CRT TV. But my slot seems to be made for CD. Or like a diskette. What the fuck is a diskette called? Help me Google Translate. A floppy disk. Maybe it, yeah, floppy disk. Like it looks like a CD or a floppy disk, but I never saw like a TV accepting a fucking floppy disk. It's Commodore TV. No, that's not what. This one. There's no input on this. This is what I was basing myself on, but there's no there's no thing for inputting anything. Why do I get so many cars from? Oh, it's the Commodore VT. That's why. I was like, why do I get so many cars in this search? Exactly. Okay. German. I'm not a car guy. I wouldn't know. So, you know what time it is? It's time to go back to Godot. Right? Of course. So, let's just show one for the moment, right? Feels amazing. Yeah. This Joel. This needs a Joel. So yeah, how do I want to like animate this? Do I want them to like always go in like a loop from right to left like this? Or do I want them to just go out and when I want them to show up, it goes like this? Like from like so basically a loop which is always going from right to left. Go Goda? Goda? What am I reading? So many words that I don't understand. But yeah, Joel business. Business is business. Program, it's Goda. Like this. Goda is pretty cool. Eventually, I should move the chat to Goda. Eventually. So, like, all the overlays should be in Goda. So I don't have to care about anything else than Goda. And, like, yeah, that's it. But the thing about Goda is it would be hard to show images. See, like right now, the chat displays your name, so that's basic. Like the name, the color of the name, that's basic. But then when you get to the profile picture, right? I don't save those. It's not a picture that I save and I show on the HTML page. It's a link, right? Like when I get when I get when I get user data, which is what I do, and let's say I get Neptune's galaxy, right? I get this profile image URL. I get an URL. So if I'm in Godot, I can't just say like show this the image of this link. I can't. It's I can't. I just can't. So I would need to save somewhere that each image, profile picture image. But then if I do that, like if I cache all of these, right? If you change your like after if you change your profile picture, then it won't be updated unless I do something that it updates each 2 streams or something like that. But yeah, that's how it would work. So either my life is hard and I cry, or uh you don't get profile pictures in the Godot chat. Could have the link portray the image off screen then. Link portray the image off screen. I don't understand what you're saying. So, are you saying like print the like look up the image on like a web and then show it in Godot somehow? Is that what you're saying? Just a quick load. Camera texture. Yeah, I can't. My coding words are not fresh in my head. It's okay. It's okay. But yeah, maybe eventually I will move everything to Godot. Like, okay, I'm gonna give another example of a streamer I follow. Okay, so we're gonna look at someone called uh, Blue Planet or something, right? Planet Bluto. Okay, this guy hasn't streamed in a while, but it doesn't matter. This guy, his UI is pretty cool, right? It's really cool, I would say. So everything you see, like everything, is in Godot, other than the chat. And I asked him, like, what is in Godot and what is not in Godot, and he said everything is other than the chat because it's like I. It was too hard putting the chat in Godot and making it efficient with all the like the badges, the emotes, the 7TV, and everything. It's yeah, it's better to do it in a web browser, kind of thing. But yeah, definitely go check those guys out that I told you earlier too. So let's look at what BB code, what the things are. What can we do, right? Okay. So we want bold. We want it to be bold. We are bold, right? This needs to be bold. What does it need to be also? We need it to be. Wait, let me check this for a second. Okay, we're still good. We need to be not the center because it's gonna be on the left. It's at the left by default. Fill makes text to fill the full width of rich no. Indent no. URL no. Int no. Image. Wait. Wait. Can I print just an image with the URL? Instead of oh no, it's the path of like in the resources. It doesn't work like that. Okay. Font size. That's the one we want, right? Font size 20. Font size. Just need it to be like the whole height of this. 28, 27, 25, 22, 22 seems good. 23, 22, 21. 21 is good. Right, like this. Maybe something else. Drop cap. What is drop cap? This is uppercase letter. Oh. I'm happy this exists, but I will not use it. Lang. Color. Color could be good. Eventually. BG color. FG color. So foreground, background, color, outline size, table, cell, UL, OL. Okay, so I think that's it for now. Right? We want it to be bold and at a certain font size. Right? Excuse me. So yeah, Joel. So we're just gonna like this. And then we're just gonna say which fucking Twitch here. Right. Then here it's gonna be weather. And then here it's gonna be time. Yeah, so time, weather, Twitch, Joel. This is not big enough. 22. 22 was right. I should have done 22 from the start. This is such good music. Twitch, this is good. Weather, time, right. Right. um, so how do we do this? So first we're gonna do the we're gonna decide on the animation part, right? So let me see what like um this looks like. We can't see it. Okay. Um is it like the width? I think what happened here? Oh right. I scaled it. Oh. Mm. Ooh. Okay. Taskbar. Can I make it so the... Okay, let's do something like fill. Fit content. If true, the label minimum size will be automatically updated to fit its content, matching the behavior of label. This is what I want, but not that much too. I want it to be stretched. So on the real one, it doesn't look stretched, right? Like compact, I mean. So, so why is this squared, but... Huh. Yeah, thank you for looking, Neptunes. Thank you for speaking. Thank you for everything. Have a good arc playing. Have a good PC slowing down in frames game, right? Okay. Still kills. Okay. Okay. Yo, Jake Creates is online. 4060, that's cool. I just bought my PC, which I'm on recently. I got 4060 Ti, which is pretty good, pretty good. I'm happy with i7 1400 14700 F or K, I don't remember, and 32 gigs of RAM. Pretty good. But yeah, 4060 is good. It's I'm not, like, I would have liked more VRAM, but if I wanted to stay in my budget, I had to go for a 4060 Ti instead of for a 4070. But yeah, still, it's pretty good. I'm gonna be okay for a while. Okay, so yeah, no, so I don't know about that. The 40s, I don't know the prices exactly, but like it's what am I trying to say? Fuck. I would say that the 4070 is more interesting price wise, like price with, like, for what you get. You know what I mean? Like, maybe it's not like it costs more, but you double your RAM or something like that, and it's like 100 more or something. I think it's more worth it to go with this 4070 if you have the budget. In my personal opinion, maybe I'm rich as fuck and I don't. Maybe I don't know. Excuse me. I don't realize that it's too much. It's just too much money. It is a lot of money, but I think, like, still, if you have the budget, like, the little extra would be good. Uh, so now I'm just wondering how I will make this work, right? Because the taskbar, which is the thing on the bottom at the bottom of the screen, is being compressed because of how I do stuff, right? So if we see here, its scale is at 0.61, right? So it makes it so that the letters are compressed or something, right? So I need to make it wide, right? I'm shaking because yeah. So if we go back to scale 1, right? It's this wide. So if we like launch the scene, uh, yeah, you don't see it. Why? Right. If we launch this, then we go here, and then we zoom back off. Why does it work? So it's wide enough, but it's wider than the screen. So I don't know where the start is. Oh, I know. Okay, I know. I know what I'm gonna do. Okay, so we're gonna put this back in the bottom. Um, I'm gonna make this like smaller, right? So you can see the rest, right? Okay, so if we take the taskbar and wait, okay, so I see too what's going on. So I take the taskbar and I move it until I don't see it. Right, like that. Wait, so if I put 0 here. Ooh, okay, I see. If I put 0.5, this looks pretty good, if I may say so. Okay, that's gonna be it. So it's not. I see the pixels still. This is not good. Why do I see the pixels on this? Okay, we're gonna close this, right? So we see, if we go here, you can see like it's pixelated. So maybe it's but if we go here, it is, but it's okay because we see the pixels. So here it's compressed, like is or something. Can we not compress? Can we not compress, please? Please, oh please. Offset, visibility range. Right. Doing it 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 right. It's to me. Can I not be pick? I want nearest. Aha! I found it. This is better. Uh, right, this is better. Okay, weird thing now. I can't control my own face now. Weird. Can I control it from? No, it won't work. So let's actually restart this one. Right? So we know where we are. Like, does this work now? Yes. Nice. Okay. Taskbar. So now I know what I'm gonna do, right? This is gonna go out from here and go back in, right? Pretty easy. So, so fit content and then fucking hell. Fill and then end of fill here. And then here fit content fill end of fill. Doing it right. 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 Doing it next to me. Okay. So it's going to be animation, right? Order. So it's going to work with animation, right? So how does animation work? You make animation, you do new animation and then you name it. We're going to do test, right? Okay. So you can add tracks, which are properties of the things in the scene, right? So let's say we take Joel's stats and then we do a transition of 2 seconds. So Joel's stats, oh, what the hell? Where is translation? It's not here. Okay, solution. Taskbar to the node. And then Joel stats is part of that. And this is Joel node. I just need to make 3 other of those. This is going to be Twitch node. This is going to be weather node. And then the last one is going to be time node. All right, and then in the animation player, I take the Joel node, I take transform, and I do yeah, okay. If I move this, right, just works. So 0. Right, so it starts from position 0. Right? And then at 2 seconds, it is now at position minus 100. Maybe more. Minus 1000. Maybe more than that, even. 1500. Okay, and then we do the key here, like that. So if we start the animation in 2 seconds, it's going to go from here to here in a linear speed. That's not what we want. That's not like cool. We want a ease out and do some kind of like this. Maybe a ease in. Hmm. No, it's too fast. I mean, like, it's just a bit curved. Let's say we're just there. Let's add text to here. Like blah 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 blah. Right? Right, like this. Okay, so we're gonna remove the fill and everything. So fill here, you remove it. Right, like this. Rather than here, we remove fill. Right, and then here we remove fill again. Okay. Then here we make it visible again. Like this. Okay. So if we move it like this and we start the animation. See, this is not want to do something kind of. Can we do some ease in and out? Kind of like this. Even slower. Can we do it slower? Can we do it over 5 seconds? Then we're going crazy. Something more like this. This is better. Maybe even more. This looks good. So yeah, that's yeah, force it. Okay. So this is the test, right? So it's gonna look like this a bit, right? Um, but so in this case, I would have to do. I have two way of doing this, or I do for animation, like animation one, Joel's test goes out, and then weather comes in at the same time, and then weather come out and Twitch enters at the same time, and etc. Or I make 8 animation, which is 2 per uh this. Yeah. 2 per this. So one goes in. So one animation in, one animation out for each. But then that's many animation. But then if I do 4 animation, I can't change the order in which they appear. Right? So I won't, in the future, I won't be able to trigger the appearance when I want of time or something. So I have to do 8 animation. Hi, Crazy Kitty. Welcome. It's Goda Day today. We're making Goda, right? It's maybe you're gonna say it's always Goda Day, but for me it's not. Okay. So yeah, we're adding some kind of like taskbar at the bottom. You can see the blue bar, which is gonna be something like showing the current time in my zone, the weather, some like the last followers or something, and wait, okay, I see. Yes, the last followers and maybe the Joel stats. Oh, I see, I see. It's secretly not always the go that day, but we're not gonna talk about it. It's a secret. Shh. So yeah, so earlier today and I'm still trying to fix on the side the points. Um, like I've made something akin to the prod thing where you get points by being here, like a bit like the Twitch points, but made by myself. And it's not working. As you can see here, we got something crashed. Um, yes, yeah, the bar at the bottom. I added it last stream, but I didn't do anything with it. So today we're starting to do something about it. But yeah, like as I said on the side, I'm trying to figure out how this thing works. So we're just gonna go back 2 seconds to there. And I've put some Jets Bomb Rush Cyberpunk OST music on the background since I bought it recently and it's really good. Um, mm, so it basically it gives me this so it's a problem with SQL right now. So this executes a command already made, but then it gives me an SQL like object back, right? Which I don't know what to do with it. Quite honestly, it's like this is it. But then I found this as array, so it's supposed to give me an array. So then I was like, okay, so since it's an array, I can like say if it's empty, oh, it wouldn't have even worked. Anyway, even if I say give it to me as an array, it still is SQL object. So now I'm just gonna say as array, but then instead of saving it somewhere, I'm just gonna go through each, basically. And like this. Right. So we're gonna restart this. Right. The fuck is controller doing? Okay, so we're gonna get back to this shortly when it stops cooking. Okay, so back to the Goda. So animations, right? Can I change edit? Edit. Okay. Can I remove it or something? Hello? Animation, how do add reset delete selection? No? Duplicate delete? No. Apply reset. Can I not remove animations? I can't? I finally started to work on but wait, oh I started okay. Let me just restart the overlay. 2 seconds. I'm gonna read all of this. I didn't hear you the message. Is it gonna crash? No. We're all good. Okay. So what did you say, Crazy Kitty? I finally started to work on Pachinko roguelike. I've had in this for good. Oh, okay. So you started working on a new game? Yeah, no, it's not on the reset animation. It's a test I made, but then there doesn't seem to be any place to like delete or do something. Can I? Okay. Active reset on state task. Okay. I have a solution for this. Look at me. Delete. There we go. All clean. Nothing in there. You see? I did it. It's all gone. So, animations. So we're gonna have one animation, two animation per rich text label, basically. So it's gonna be Joel in, right? And it's all gonna be 10-second animations. So this is in, so it ends here, but it starts. Ooh, good music. One, where? 920. Right. Probably need an animation tree for that. I don't know. I just read the. Look, I'm dumb. I don't even know what animation tree does. To the animation cutout tree? No. Okay, let's forget about the web. A node used for advanced animation transition is an animation player. Okay. No root animation node. I need an animation node. Like the, wait. Or the other way around? No? What is this? No root animation node. Okay, so I need new anime. Okay, I see. Uh, okay, animation player, this. Active, okay. What's the difference? Process. What's the difference? I failed to understand the difference. Okay. The path to the node used to evaluate the animation node expression, if one is not explicitly specified internally. The path to use for animating. Hmm. I don't know. Track. Root motion track. The path to the animation track used for root motion. Path must be valid scene tree paths of. This seems too complicated for what I wanted to do. I feel too dumb for this. That's my impression. So minus 1920. Right? So it goes in. But now I wanted to uh ease out and then. Do I? No, I want ease in and out. Something of this type. Maybe like this. Maybe 10 seconds is too long. Let's do 5. But this is better. Let's keep it like that. So Joel in. Now we need. This is gonna be a long process. Joel out, which is a 5-second animation. It goes from there to here. Right? So and then this in and out, and then it's 4.4, something like that. Right. Like this. Good. Okay. So now we do the same thing for the other tree, I guess. So now weather in. So it's in. So it goes from -1920 like this. Here like this. Then 0 like this. Then animation, ease in and out, and then 4.43. Now weather out. It's a 5-second animation. This is the beginning. Position, yes. Then we go to the end. There's 1920. Like this. Go here, ease in and out. Da, 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 da. Okay, so now we got Joel in, Joel out, weather in, weather out. Now we need which in. Now let's start with out. So 5-second. Like this. Transform, position, great. Then we go this key, this. I'm streamlining this. I'm getting faster. So Twitch in now. Five-second. 0 starts here. Then it goes like this. The key, the transition, ease in and out. 443. Then we need time out. Five-second. Key in, out, like this. time in. And then finally, for 3. There we go. So this is all done. Right. Okay. Animation's done. Now we need to put stuff on there. Like not just time. We need to get the time. So web. Time. We need a time. Time. Returns the current date as dictionary of keys. Okay, I want time. Get date time from system. Okay, I see. So we need a taskbar script. Okay. So what do we do? Okay. But so process, yeah. I'm thinking. Okay, so let's on ready bar Joel label equal to it's Joel node Joel stats like this. Then we do that for all of these. So whether label no, so this is whether node whether like this on ready bar Twitch label is equal to Twitch node Twitch stats on ready var time label the time node, then it's time. There we go. Okay, so we don't need to do anything for now on the label. No, I mean on the ready. On ready, we don't need anything. So we need to do some kind of carousel. Carousel. What is carousel? Oh, okay, I see. It's a carousel. So we need this kind of thing, but for the labels. So each amount of time these go between each other. So oh, var state is equal to 0, I guess. So case, how do you case statement? It's here. It's match. Okay, it's match here. I see. Match. Um, I already forgot. Okay, so it's match space state. Then we do 1, I guess. Suggestion, yeah, 1. And then we do something like time label dot text is equal to time string var time string is equal to okay, so var my time is equal to get uh get date time dict from system, like this. Okay, I see. Why is it not working? Function get date time from dict from system not found in base self. What is this error? Do I need to require something? Da, 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 da. Um. Ha 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 ha. Okay, let's use Google, the almighty Google. Save me. Ooh. I got get wrecked. Okay. Oh, it's time dot get. Oh, I see. Interesting. So it's my time. How do I do? Is it something like this? Or like this? Okay, so let's do something like this instead. So get the string from system. So let's just try to put this in here, my time. Something like this. Okay. So time string, I guess, is equal to my time day. Okay. Bar time string. Leave this fucking thing. Okay. Time string instead. Okay, so how do I convert an int into a string? Int to string. Go that. Okay, so it's string stuff. Let's try this. So string like this. Non-existent string constructor. Ooh, doesn't work like that. Can't be easy. Hmm. Hmm. Ba-da-ba, 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 ba-da-ba. Oh, it's str. Is it like changing from version to version? Oh, I see. Now it's working. I don't think you saw, but it was working. I saw the day. So let's do year. Then no. So it's day. Then it's gonna be month. Then it's year. Then it's a space. Then it's not big. It's hour. Then it's a point. Now it's a minute. And now after that, it's the final one. It's a second. I don't know if you can see. I see it. I got a time on the bottom half here. But you guys don't seem to be able to see it. Curiously. Oh, maybe it's because I don't have the right dimension for this. Properties. Oh. This is weird. Is this the right window? Ah, this is the one. It wasn't like even look at the right window. So maybe you guys can see. Like there's a date here. right? So let's see if it crashed. Okay, I see. Did anyone say anything? Did I miss messages? No. Okay. So this didn't work at all. Let's go back to here. Oh, this is bad. Okay, I will work on that off stream, I guess. Yeah, let's work on that off stream. Where's that? Just do this. I was trying to do it on stream, but it just crashes the gizmo, and it's not good crashing the gizmo. It's not a good thing to crash the gizmo while on stream. It's not the best thing to happen. Right? Okay, we're gonna have to restart the overlay now again. Right? Okay, so let's hide this. Okay, we're back to it. So this shows the time of now. So my time. No. Right. Okay. And but I now also need to add the labels. Remember the labels? Like this. So here we go. Like this. Yeah, this is better. Oh, we still see this one. Weird. Okay, let's close this. B, and then we close. Oh, the B is in front. Right, like this. Aha. We see now that the thing is working. Right, so this is good. Now, if it's 1, weather is not for now. Pass. I'm gonna like call an API or something somehow something. Um, how did it just print something? You said a pun intended. Okay, tree is Twitch stats. Well, I went from the top to bottom. No, nothing matters. Okay, so we did time. Now we can do Joel stats, I guess. Girl. Okay, so can we do HTTP request from Godot? Right? Because I'm pretty sure you can. Making HTTP requests. Okay, HTTP request. Okay, var.json. Okay, so it's a function. Okay, I see. I see. HTTP request. Okay, so HTTP request. Okay. Timeout 0. Okay. So on ready, we do something like this. Request completed, connect. So it will do the function on request completed when the request is completed, as you see. So now we want to, this is going to be the information from my API. So this is going to be something like JSON. So JSON, right? This is going to be the JSON. So yeah, let's look at the API. Huh? What do we want? We want the top 5 people. Let's start with the top 5 people. Wrong one. It's in web page. Get user, get channel, get okay, higher. Get users. So like this. So we will get each of them will, so it's an array. Name, date, count. Okay. It's okay. 4. Uh, let's I guess this is like Python. So for user in JSON. Yeah. Okay. So var string, the string, I don't know, is equal to a string. Ah! Okay. So, the string more equals. This is going to be But we don't want to go through each user in the JSON. We want to go through the first 5. Can I just get the first 5? Could be way easier. Doesn't it seem like it? Hello, Hog the Gamer. Well, welcome to my broadcast. I am, as you know, probably since you're here, I'm Vinarak. You've seen me on Jake's channel. I'm the TV man, and right now we're doing Godot. Godot's tough. We're trying to do some kind of taskbars, like on the news, like you see the bottom bar with the text that scrolls on it. That's what I'm trying to do. So yeah, but right now we're trying to figure out how we were gonna do this. So yeah, this is Godot. So this is me. This is me. And there's multiple layers of me, right? And now we're working on the taskbar version of me. More particularly on the script of how this will work. Yeah. How was your day, Hawk? I feel like I have to ask. How was your day? Did you have a good day? Pretty good. That's nice. I had a big day. Uh, some like I had school from 8 to 5 or something like that. But it's still pretty calm since it's still the first week, so it's pretty easy still. They're starting slowly, and then by the end of the semester, I'm shitting blood or something. It is what it is. So yeah, I went into the stream. I was like, I don't even know what I'm gonna do, and because I had nothing planned, literally. So I kind of just did something. And right now I'm working on this. So yeah. So we're just gonna do var count equal to 0. Something like that. It's all good, Hawk. You don't you don't have to spend bets on me. Keep them for you or for Jake. Jake needs it for his student loans. I don't have student loans. Keep them for him. Uh, I don't think you can. Can you? I think you can only donate on like affiliate channels. I don't think you can. That doesn't seem like it. Well, that's good. I don't think you can even sub to me. If I'm writing. Nothing can be You can't give me money. Yes, sir. That's the goal. We don't need money. Keep them for you or for someone else. So string, so count starts at 1, right? So the string is number string count number 1 plus this soon as yeah, definitely have fun, watch Jake, do whatever you want. Thank you for coming in and chatting with me. Yeah, thank you. I'm gonna need luck indeed. So number 1, this, and then it's gonna be user, then it's a name. Then it's gonna be space this, and user account, like this. So this is a string. And then we add like a space or something. Yeah. And then if count is more or equal to, so it starts from 1, so we want it to go 5. If it's more than 5, then we break, right? And then the Joel label text is equal to the string. Okay, so this is gonna change every time we do a request to my server. So on ready. So we're gonna show the Joel stats, and then we're gonna do this. But we're gonna add this. Right? So this is my API, but we're gonna need queries if we want the right thing. Oh, this. So we need way this. So way DESC, like this. And sort is equal to count, like this. Right? So if we start this, it doesn't work. Black. Okay, I see. Identifier body not declared in the current scope. Oh, did I miss something? Oh, I see. The music stopped. This is unfortunate. Let's go with that. Let's try this again. Ooh. Invalid operand string and float in operator. Okay. Why do I give a float there? I don't understand. Oh my god. Oh, I see. I see what happened. Count plus plus. Yeah, plus equals 1. There, you happy? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Like this. So, this gives me the full power of taking the throne. I'm kidding. Okay, so it's just assembling a string. So like this, right? Then we add this string. Then we add this one. So it's prettier. There we go. So each time it changes, it should do the request. Or not. Okay, so we got the joules, we got the time. Now let's do the Twitch stats. Okay, I see. I see the problem here. Let's do a be right back, right? I think it's time for a be right back. I guess. Is it gonna work? No. Okay, let's. All right. Let's do a be right back. Wait, I'll be back in like 1 minute. I am back. The me is back. Right? First of all, let's go say hi to Jake. We're not gonna call him or anything, but um we're just gonna say hi in the chat. Just gonna poke him. Okay. Just stop the music 2 seconds. Oh, I can knock him, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna tell him I'm in be right back, but I'm not. I don't care. I can knock. I can knock. Anyway, yeah, we're just gonna fire at him and then leave. Yeah, just fire. I just come here, I make him suffer, and I go. Okay, let's get back to our things, right? So, now we got what we got since earlier. We got the time, we got the Joel stats. That's done. We can make the transition everything later. I think the weather node is gonna not be shown for now, right? Because I'm gonna need some weather API and I haven't researched that at all. So we're gonna forget it for now. So we only need the weather, no, the Twitch node. So the last follower. Um, so how do I do that? What is providing me with this kind of information now is my bus. Um, so I don't store. I can't just say when you receive a follow, like this is the lastest follow, because when I restart the program, it's not gonna be there anymore. So I need to make the request. So I need to send a message to the bus saying I want the last follower, and then the bus should send me back the information. But the thing connecting to the socket is gestion, right? Uh, and so how do I communicate between scripts? Multiple scripts is, huh? How? Um, this is the question. Um, so here I have the WebSocket. So I don't know. Oh, jeez. Um, I'm thinking. So I don't think I can. Can I call a function from another script? I don't think so. Right? I'm pretty sure it doesn't work like that. So so I can do it so when I think I know. So gestion is gonna receive if data to avatar match to the payload command. So when I connect to it, I'm thinking when I connect to the WebSocket, I'm gonna yes. When a new client connects to the WebSocket, I'm just gonna send the lastest follower to the Godot, and then each time I receive a new follower, I'm just gonna send it directly, right? So last follower update. Payload command. So it's gonna be our follower name is equal to payload data payload, and I will tell you the rest in a few seconds. It's data again. Is it? Wait. So payload command. Okay, and data name. Okay, I see. It's gonna be data name. Something of this type. Right? So now we're gonna go server side. We're gonna Bravo 6 going dark kind of thing. Right? Well, let's close out of these. Okay. So update points, we don't need this. We don't need that. Okay. So this one, unopen. So it's going to be update last follower, right? So I guess I'm creating a new category. It's going to be Yoda def update class follower. Okay. We're gonna have a look at this one too. So here we can see, we're gonna close this, stream tools, and then we go to Twitch class. So, get channel emotes, get global emotes, get channel info, get console, can create, shoutout, create, start, get Twitch users, subscribe. Get viewers, no, get channel, get follower, get channel follow. This is what we want. Okay. Ooh, yeah. We got the music. Okay, so broadcaster ID. Yes. Okay. So this is the request. Here we copy. So this is get let's see, get Twitch user ID. Interact. Channel ID is equal to this. So this is now Twitch token. And this is Twitch but ID. Okay, so this is still good. So, right, what do we get from this? Let's see. Twitch, and then get followers of me. So we get a total data. Okay. Okay. So followers. Okay, no. Payload equal to JSON parse response body. Last follower. No. Followers. Payload data. Yeah. Now I get all the followers, right? But I don't necessarily get them in order. Or do I? 6, 7, 8, 5. It looks like I get them in order, but I don't. If I look, I'm at my activity feed on OBS. I can see Zoe is the last one who followed. Then I can see Musha 68K followed before that. And then I see Xor Xavier here. Oh no, no, Mikinoon. But okay. Then Control O, Crazy Kitty. Oh, okay, so I only need the first one. This is simpler. Last follower is equal to payload data 0. Right? Yeah. So this is the last follower. So now I want to Twitch commands done. Okay, so this is my template. Right? Got a little template over here. So it's gonna do something like this. So it's last follow update, and then here it's name, last follower, username. Okay. So this should be right. All right, so I get it when I get connection. And when thread channel message, no channel follow. And then update last follower. Right. And that's it. Yeah. Okay. Oh, we need to restart. Such a shame. Such a shame. Okay. Plus. Activate your device. I got to rise. Right. Okay. So now, last follow update. So what do I do with this? Right? Um, so Justin is here. Um, I'm just gonna raw dog it. Do I raw dog? Okay, so unready var, it's gonna be the Twitch label. So this is taskbar viewport, and then this is taskbar. Then it's, what is it? It's Twitch node, and it's Twitch stats. Wait, what? Oh, okay. Like this. Okay, so this is the Twitch label. So which label dot text is equal to this, and then this is follower name. Last follower this. Like this. Okay, so one, print something. I'm just gonna show Twitch stats. Right, but if I start the scene. Oh, fuck, you've not been seeing. Sorry if anyone was watching. You've not been seeing anything that I made. I'm so sorry. Okay, so if we go at exe, this is not the right one. This is the right one. Or is it? Ooh, I'm too good at this. See, it disappears and then it comes back. Less followers only. Thank you. Right. Waiting for. Okay, so this works. So now I have to do the part where it does the switch between the things. So let's update this each second. Why not? Fuck it. Okay, so now we need to change between the labels, right? It's 0 and 0 here. Okay. Okay, making the thing change. Before. Hmm. So it changes. I How do I do this? Like I can't just say sleep 5 second, then change, then sleep 5 second, then change. Like it can't be that. I don't think so, at least. Like I could use my time like to do a delta of the time since last time I changed. But then if I use like let's say only the seconds, if I go each 10 second, you change. So then if I hit 55 second and the next one is 5 second, it's not gonna work. So how um periodic task go with that. Dun, da, 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 oh, a timer. Right. A timer. A timer. Obviously. So, taskbar, add timer. So this is carousel timer. So we say about 10 seconds. And Frozen Nation. Television. Okay, so node. Timeout. Television. Frozen Nation. So, match state, right? Uh, 0. So, 0. We'll already var anim is equal to animation player. So when it's 0, anim dot uh current animation is going to be equal to Joel in like this. Joel in anim dot current animation is equal to time out one anim dot current animation to go at Joel out anim dot current animation is equal to, so we got Twitch in, right? And then 2 anim dot animation, current animation, so it's Twitch out, and then it's Joel in. No. Joel in, Twitch in, Twitch out. So it's time in. Like this. Okay, then we do paid. So oh, if paid equal to 2, state is equal to 0, else state plus equals 1, right? Conversation, and then we do whistle timer dot start. As simple as that. This is gonna move. Oh, it's moving. It's moving. Okay. Let's do something. Animation reset. Everything is gonna be it's 1920. Right. So we're not confused about what's here and what's not here. Right, and then in there it's moving out, and another one should move in. Or not. Why? Okay, so time out Joel in. Does Joel in exist? Uh, we today was perfect. Good love, that motivation. Conversation. Okay, I don't know what's gonna happen there. Right, this is moving out. But the other one is not moving in. What's happening? Oh, something is showing up. Oh, oh, what the hell? Oh! I'm trying to play two animation at the same time. That's why it's not working. I see, I see. Oh. Ba-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Okay, so one, then add animation player. This one is two. Okay, if we do animation, manage animation, add library, taskbar. Oh, I see. Okay. And then here I do animation, manage, load. Aha! Aha! It's almost too easy. It's too easy. You. Okay, if we try that, right? Hello? Okay. We got the Joel stats. It's moving out and nothing is moving in. You love, built for love. For... So why is this one here? It should be 1920. Should be there. right? And if I play Joel in, right? Okay, if we go in the script and we do taskbar anim like this. Something like this. Do we get something out of it? Okay, my time is right now this. Oh ho! Looks like I got it. I'm just saying. Yes, sir. I got it, I think. Boom, 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 boom. It's too easy, too easy. I'm just too good at this. Uh, yeah, this was just working. Now, do I control this? No, okay. This is the guy, right? And if we go back, oh god, it takes the whole screen. Wait, it's too big. Maybe 10 seconds is not long enough. I think I would make it longer in the future. Oh, this barely fits. Yeah, 10 seconds is not long enough. Definitely. More like 20 seconds. Maybe this is better. Right. Maybe if I like change like if I reduce the font size, it's not gonna be in the center anymore. It's gonna be uglier. Hmm. Okay. This is pretty good. Just need to like customize things a bit more. Something like this. Um, this is for the actual. Yeah, I can't do anything about that. There's two things okay. Uh, just change. We're gonna go back to BB code. C'est ma yeah. C'est ma toi tout. C'est ma yeah. C'est ma tata. C'est ma yeah. C'est ma tattoo. C'est ma yeah. Okay, so I wanted color, right? I want pink here. A cool pink color like this. Um, it's BB code, yeah, right? So I can have fun with it. Um, my time right now is um. Let's try this and reduce it. Let's see. Is the pink beautiful? Maybe I could do like gold, silver, bronze, and then something else here. Maybe. Thank you. Yeah, with the pink. This is cool. Yeah, let's do this. Oh, yeah, but okay. So taskbar here, it's here. Say that. Oh, yeah. Okay, so maybe we tune this down to 3 people. Um, so if we try this, and yeah, we move the thing again, and we wait again, again and again. Time right now. Yeah, this is better. Okay, so so match count 1, 2, 3. Okay, so if one the string equals, so it's going to be color is equal to something this. Then it's gonna be this. Only this. Like this. And then you end the color thing. Oh, skip the music. We don't want this. So we need the color picker now. F color picker. I want no. Fuck. This. So like this. Then we need the silver. So like this. Ooh. Like this, and then we need bronze. So something more brown. We need bronze. Something like this. Let's see what it does. Not on forever. Da, 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 did not do into fury. Da, 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 da. Nice. I'm your Garbo. Maybe I could just put their whole name. Yeah, it's gonna be better. Or not. No, I'm gonna keep it like that. Time for cover. Okay, let's do something like this. And yeah, we're gonna check a last time if everything is working. Then we're gonna end it, I think. Maybe. We don't know. Yeah, my time right now. This is the order of the crazy people. Turbo lover. Tell me yes, no other. I'm your turbo lover. Yeah. Solly HP. Thank you. There we go. That's gonna be that. Okay, so this seemed to be working. So next stream, it should be on the actual display, like in front, like the actual thing. I'm not gonna build it now. So yeah, it's gonna be on next stream, I guess. Debugger, do I? We don't care. We don't care about warnings. So we're gonna save all of this. And I'm gonna do a little search. Like, who's online? I know Jake is online. But maybe I can raid someone else. I don't even know if I have someone to raid with. I'm alone. Good. Maybe, 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 maybe we stay a bit more. So, actually, I'm gonna give you guys some news on the Joelbot because since wait, let me clear this up so you can see. So, since last time we refactored the whole Joelbot. So since last time, I've had some bugs, right? What happened is, yeah, wait a minute. There we go. Okay. So we had some bugs, right? So Twitch was sending me, I never received those, but reconnect the session. It's, wait, what is it? When a session reconnect. So I never had those on the bus. It's been up for like a week before today, and it didn't ever crashed. But the new Joelbot, it sends me session reconnects, which when I receive those, I need to use the URL they give me to connect to a new URL with the WebSocket. So I had a few bugs. I tried some things, and now I think it's working. But I can't. The thing with that is I can't test it without waiting a whole day for it sending. So it sends it like each day or something, like 12 hours, and it's just it's hard to test when you can't like purposely send these message and test those. So I have to try something, and then I have to wait half a day to know if it worked. So it's really long to fix. But this time I think I got it. So when I get the session reconnect, I print what I got for debug purposes. And then I start the WebSocket. So I put all of this in a function. So I start a WebSocket URL. And so yeah, so I start a new WebSocket, and then when I start a new WebSocket, it's supposed to like send me a code or something. So it will close the old one, and the new one should have the same subscription, right? But yeah, so I think it's gonna work now. We're gonna know like in the night or something. And I'm gonna keep you guys updated on my server, Discord server. But yeah, if it works, I am gonna switch it immediately to the production database right? And the old Joel Butt is gonna be gone for real, for real. So the other thing I wanted to do today, right, is the the Joel interaction features. But wait, I forgot something in Goda. I just remembered. I have to do it now, or I will forget. Taskbar here. So this here, I need to do it when I change Joel in. This here. Now I did it. So, yeah, I wanted to do this after if I had time, but it's been 4 hours already. And I don't think I want to get into this. So, I feel like I should continue the stream, but I don't have the energy to. So, to Shavatar. The fuck? Huh? Yeah, so, yeah, we're gonna we're gonna do something, right? I have to do something. So, yeah, we're gonna raid. We're gonna stop hanging out and just doing nothing with our skin, right? And yeah, we're gonna raid. If people are with me, I'm gonna raid. I don't even know if I can raid. But yeah, thank you for everyone who came in. We did we didn't do much this time around. But we still got something done. I'm pretty happy with what I've done. Maybe we will modify it further in the future. This is like a draft. It's gonna be on next stream, but it's still a draft. Thank you for everyone who came in. Hawk, Neptunes, Mikinoon. And do I have anything else to say? You're gonna ask me. And so in the future, I will probably stream whenever I want. Really, I maybe Wednesday night, Friday night, and other weekend nights or something. Wow, it's either Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, or Sunday nights. But it's probably gonna be on the weekend nights, so Friday, Saturday, yeah, Saturday, Sunday. So, yeah, without further speaking, we're gonna raid. Where is raid? Great raid. Jake, raid stuff. Yeah, so we're not gonna raid, and yeah, we're just gonna end it right there, like right there. We're gonna put the screen right? For your enjoyment, because it's really cool. The screen is pretty cool, but it's not starting soon. It's going away. So goodbye.